Can a high-performance sports exhaust cost less than $200? Let's find out together. Hello everyone, I'm Mark De Nardo from Racext, and today I'm introducing a product that will revolutionize your riding experience, our motorcycle sports exhaust. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications to stay updated with our latest news and reviews. Take a look here. This exhaust is made from high-quality stainless steel, ensuring corrosion resistance and exceptional durability. The polished finish adds a touch of elegance to your bike, keeping it looking new and shiny for years. Notice the design closely. It has been meticulously engineered to optimize exhaust gas flow, thereby enhancing engine performance. With this exhaust, you'll notice a significant improvement in performance, making your ride smoother and more powerful. Feel the solid build of the materials. This exhaust is not only visually appealing, but also robust and reliable. Every detail has been crafted to provide you with the highest quality and efficiency. Additionally, the installation is simple and quick, allowing you to mount it on your bike without any hassle. If you like what you see and want to learn more or purchase this fantastic exhaust, you can find the direct link in the description below. Don't miss this opportunity to enhance your bike's performance at an unbeatable price. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave a comment below.